Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic. Now, if you're a fan of versatile lip colors that can take you from morning to night without the constant touch-ups, you're in for a treat. Today, we're talking about the Kiko Milano Unlimited Stylo Long-Lasting Creamy Lipstick in the shade 10, Universal Rose. This lipstick promises a lot: long-lasting wear, a creamy texture, and a demi-matte finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First up, let's break down what makes this lipstick special. The Kiko Milano Unlimited Stylo is designed for anyone who wants a lipstick that delivers bold color without sacrificing comfort. The formula is enriched with creamy pigments that glide on smoothly and provide a demi-matte finish, which means it's not completely matte, but still gives that elegant, velvety texture. And what's even better? It's suitable for all skin types, so it won't dry out your lips or leave them feeling tight. When it comes to shades, this 10 Universal Rose is such a flattering color. It's the kind of neutral pink that complements a wide range of skin tones. It's subtle enough for everyday wear, but vibrant enough to make a statement, especially as a daytime to night option. The stick form is super easy to use, and it doesn't require constant reapplication. Always a win when you're on the go. Now, let's talk real-world testing. I've been using this lipstick throughout the day, and I've noticed that the wear is incredibly impressive. After applying in the morning, it stayed put through coffee, lunch, and a few touch-ups of my coffee cup. It's not transfer-proof, but the color remains intact for hours, which is quite impressive for a creamy lipstick. Plus, the texture is smooth and lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on the lips, and you don't get that annoying dryness that some matte lipsticks leave behind. But of course, no product is perfect. While the Kiko Milano Unlimited Stylo offers great staying power, it can settle into lip lines a little if you're not careful. A quick lip scrub before application can help prevent that. And while the demi-matte finish is beautiful, those of you who prefer a glossy or more hydrating lip might not enjoy the slightly powdery feel it leaves after wear. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this lipstick is a solid buy. The price is reasonable for the performance it offers, especially considering how much wear you get out of one application. While there are plenty of other long-lasting lipsticks on the market, not many provide the same balance of comfort and durability that Kiko Milano has managed to achieve here. Now, if you're looking for something similar but at a lower price point, brands like Maybelline and NYX offer similar creamy formulas with comparable shades. However, if you want something that's going to last longer throughout the day and still keep your lips feeling soft, this is definitely a contender. Looking at the build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple, but it feels durable. I wouldn't expect it to snap or break easily, even with everyday use. It's also compact enough to toss in your bag without taking up too much space. As for longevity, with daily wear, you should expect the lipstick to last several months, even though the formula is on the creamy side. I would just be mindful to keep the cap on tight, as with any lipstick. I also want to quickly mention that if you have any questions or need support, Kiko Milano is pretty responsive when it comes to customer inquiries. Though I haven't had any issues with the product, it's always reassuring to know that a brand has good customer service in case you ever need them. So, to wrap things up, the Kiko Milano Unlimited Stylo Long-Lasting Creamy Lipstick in Universal Rose is definitely worth considering if you're after a reliable, everyday lipstick with solid wear time. It's perfect for those who like their lip color to last without feeling dry or cakey. If you're into the shade and enjoy a creamy demi-matte finish, I would say go for it. And, hey, if you've tried this lipstick before, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.